Kibor Penyat District Jangka West Khasi Hills District mentakasngi kila sami ki emtap lingba ke Chief Minister Digital Learning Aid Scheme syagi Khynnah pulih kelas 11 jong snem arjar arpulai ki bedai Jangka West Khasi Hills District. Ia ketika jingelang sam emtap la yok ban pelong hapok tersem hall jangka office UDC ha kaba uba Gabriel Walang Emily kanong stan ulalong kumukong san ha ketika sngi. Ha kaba kila don haduk syihajar saus pak nri penyongut ki Khynnah school kelas 11 ki bela yok pediangi ketika emtap. Nalor ukong san hakani gesngi laidon ringkat uba HK Thaba ADC ke West Khasi Hills, WSP ke West Khasi Hills Ubikram di Marak, ke Kong Els Imli DSEO, Kong D Hujan SDSEO Nongstan, ki officer napok DC office kinong hikai ki Khynnah school bat kiwe-kiwe.
Let us give a round of applause on ourselves. That we are proud of ourselves. You have achieved one step of your milestone in your success. There are more achievements that you need to work on. And learning is a continuous process. There is no ending in learning. I think even Mr. Bikram, who was an SP, till today he continued to learn and to read books. Also, nobody learning cannot be stopped. So we all of us need to focus on whatever we are planning to achieve in life, especially if we receive the tablets. And tablet is a technology. Tengah kuat berkeran dah kasih rumah ibu di Khynnah di kasih, dengan kam bahar, berkeran dah kasih di kam suatu bahar. Man bersih mentan nama bersih dia tu kat tablet ke jauhi. Malaysia pun nak pergi jauhi bila berkat dah klik. Bang shop hanir tinggal berkat lano kan kutno. Nomor mengaku aja ino satu kadang niu. Bang Malaysia mentu po bila pe sasipan kamu bila sedang banjir. Kei kepada apa? Nara dah biar kei kepada apa? Non bahikai lagi. Non bahikai lagi kumno bapin on. Non bahikai lagi pinjat madong sedang kepada apa? Tablet. Mana bahikai lagi? Dalam bahikai. And that is called self-motivation. This is very important in a school life. Don't need to motivate whenever you study. As competition, ketika tablet anda kasih motivate yang lebih dengan learn. Serta jadi menjadi hero motivate yang lebih. Bagi dari nang yilum jadi tingkat di bawah